How to add emoji to comments faster. Others I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to scroll down to the post that you want to add emojis. Let's see, I add this emoji to this friends. I want to emoji to this post, so you have to click on this uh, comments section. So you have to click on this. You can see there is three icons, so you have to click on the middle one. When you click on this, then you come to this page, and here you can add a post, add a comments that and then you can also add emojis by clicking on the emoji section in the on the top of my keyboard. You can see there is all the emojis. There is some emojis. So what you can do is you can add the emojis while writing text, and you don't have to go through to your keyboards and then search or find for the emoji. So that's is very a quick process, and then you can do this, and this emoji is changes automatically based on what type of emojis you use on your post while uploading on the Instagram. So that's it, that how you can add emoji to comments faster. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.